Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's kind of a breezy, cool morning. The plan today is start assembling the components for the suspension on the Roadrunner here. At least get the control arms, the spindles on, get the torsion bars on, and hopefully I'll have time to drop the motor in on the truck. The motor's right here. So hopefully we'll have time to do that. My friend decided he wanted to put this style belt on it, but hey, whatever he wants, it's his truck, so we'll get that going. Let's start on the suspension on the Roadrunner here. Alright, here's what we got. We have the lower control arms right here, upper control arms, which are also QA1s, an instruction manual, brake hoses, backing plates, all the hardware seals, nuts, bolts. These here are the rotors. They come from a land far, far away, I believe. These are the caliper mounting brackets and the spindle. Both sides, left and right side. Left, L, and right, R. These are the calipers right here. And what else do we have? Oh, have a bunch of extra little parts here, like the adjusters for the torsion bars, some bounces. I went ahead and ordered this because I think I'm going to have an issue with connecting the booster to the pedal, so I'll figure out how this is going to work. And what else we got? Oh, we got the proportioning valve, disc brake proportioning valve, got shocks, pitman arm, idler arm, tie rod ends, adjusters. I mean, I went ahead and just ordered everything. Like Rat Rod Bob says, or not Rat Rod Bob, but Red, his helper there, he ordered everything. I also got this right here. I got torsion bars and a sway bar kit from Hotchkiss. There's the baby right there. Hopefully I'll get all these components on, that way I could drop it down. Shouldn't be too hard. The master cylinders inside the cab there, so that's what I was having issues with. Well, not issues, but figuring out how it goes, but we'll figure it out. We're getting it, we just ain't got it yet. Straightforward. You have your cam, well, they're not bolts, it's actually a bolt with the eccentric right here. Usually the factory ones, they come welded already on there. These didn't, so basically you just put them in there, and it looks like there we go. Looks like these bolts are just a little bit too long, so once I get them all more or less where I need them to be, I'll just cut that little excess off there. But anyway, that's where it is. The lower control arm, same thing, just goes through the pivot point right there, the pivot hole. Tighten it up. I'm gonna put everything just loosely snugged in there. Get the what do you call it, the bounce right here, so it clips on that. These are left or right side, so I mean it's pretty obvious. I'm pretty sure you could figure that one out. But that's where we're at with this. Let me get going on it. Well, that's what we got. Well, I got this side done. Got the strut rod. These are Caltrax strut rods. They have like an elliptical bushing. It's kind of like just swivels on. They're really nice. Like, I'm gonna coat these spindles with clear. Leave them that raw metal. Everything is loose on there until I get the torsion bars on. Then I'll tighten everything up. Once I get the torsion bars, I'll check the what do you call it? Either caster camber, whatever it is. I don't remember. I'll just put my angle finder here. Whatever the spec says, I'll try to get it as close as possible by turning these cam bolts. Actually, what I did is I turned, instead of putting the bolt from the inside out, I went from the outside inward. That way the excess threads will be on the inside here, not on the outside over here like I was thinking. But everything's going good. I got the rotors, the backing plates. Right now it's just way too sunny. It's Sunday morning. I'm gonna go for a bike ride. But that's where we're at. Well, I'm actually gonna put that other side on really quick. It'll take me like 20 minutes to put it on. But that's where we're at. These bumper brackets are the factory style ones. We had them powder coated as well. So, but that's where I'm at with this thing. Hopefully by next week I'll have it as a roller already. That way I could start putting the motor in. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good week. Be safe. See you next time.